Ever wondered how a massive, powerful tractor comes to life? It's not magic. It's a symphony of engineering, precision, and sheer industrial might. Today we're retaking you on an exclusive journey deep inside one of the world's most iconic tractor factories, Massey Ferguson. We're going behind the scenes to witness the complete assembly of a brand new tractor from the first bolt to the final inspection. Get ready to see raw steel transformed into an agricultural powerhouse. Our journey begins here, at the start of the assembly line. This is where the heart of the tractor, the chassis, is born. These heavy-duty steel frames are the backbone of the machine. They arrive as precisely cut and welded components ready to be built upon. The first thing you'll notice is the incredible scale of everything. Robotic arms and skilled technicians work together, hoisting and positioning these massive pieces with pinpoint accuracy. The frame is placed on a moving conveyor, and its transformation from a simple skeleton into a complex machine officially begins. It's a slow, deliberate journey, ensuring every single component is perfectly placed. Next up, we arrive at the engine and transmission station. This is where the tractor gets its muscle. Powerful GCO power engines, known for their reliability and efficiency, are carefully lowered into the chassis. This is a critical step, a true heart transplant for the machine.
The process
is incredibly precise. Technicians guide the engine block into place, aligning it perfectly with the mounting points. It's a delicate dance with several tons of metal. Immediately after, the transmission system is installed. This complex assembly of gears and shafts is what will deliver the engine's power to the wheels. Watching these core components being integrated is like seeing the machine's central nervous system being connected. The complexity is mind-boggling, with countless wires, hoses, and connections being meticulously routed and secured. With the powertrain in place, the tractor moves along to the axle and hydraulic systems installation. This is where it gets its legs and its functional strength. The heavy-duty front and rear axles are bolted on, ready to support the immense weight and handle the toughest terrain. Simultaneously, the hydraulic system is installed. This network of pumps, valves, and hoses is what powers the tractor's implements. From lifting heavy loads to operating complex attachments, technicians work methodically, connecting high-pressure lines and ensuring every connection is leak-proof. This system is the tractor's muscles, enabling it to perform the heavy lifting that farmers rely on every single day. You can really start to see the familiar shape of a tractor taking form. For a splash of color, the chassis, now equipped with its core mechanical components, enters the paint shop. This is more than just about looking good. It's about protection. Before the iconic Massey Ferguson red is applied, the entire structure goes through a rigorous cleaning and preparation process to ensure the paint adheres perfectly. Multiple layers of primer and paint are applied by robotic arms in a dust-free, climate-controlled environment. This ensures a flawless, durable finish that can withstand years of harsh weather and tough working conditions. The vibrant red paint is not just a color. It's a symbol of a legacy, a badge of quality recognized by farmers all over the world. Emerging from the paint shop, the tractor looks stunning and is ready for the next stage. With the paint dried, we enter the final assembly phase. This is where the tractor truly becomes a complete machine. The operator's cab, a sophisticated command center, is carefully lowered and secured onto the chassis. These cabs are assembled separately on a different line and are packed with technology, from advanced control panels to comfortable seating and climate control. It's a self-contained module of comfort and control. Next, the wheels are mounted. Watching these enormous tires being bolted on is always a highlight. It's the moment the machine finally stands on its own feet. Then come the final touches: fenders, lights, mirrors, decals, and the iconic Massey Ferguson branding. It's a flurry of activity as teams of specialists swarm the tractor, each adding their specific part to the puzzle. Before any tractor can leave the factory, it must pass a series of intense quality control checks. This is the final and most crucial stage. Every single function is tested. The engine is started for the first time, and its roar fills the testing bay. Technicians run it through a series of diagnostic tests, checking everything from engine performance and transmission shifts to the hydraulic pressure and electronic systems. They test the brakes, the lights, the steering. Every lever and button in the cab is pushed and checked. This isn't just a quick look over. It's a comprehensive examination to ensure that every tractor that rolls off this line meets Massey Ferguson/high standards of quality and reliability. Only after passing every single test with flying colors does a tractor earn its final approval. And there it is. From a bare steel frame to a fully functional, field-ready machine, the finished tractors are driven off the assembly line, gleaming under the factory lights, ready to be shipped to dealerships and farms around the globe. It's an incredible sight to see rows of brand-new tractors, each one a testament to the skill, dedication, and precision of the thousands of people who work here. Each tractor represents a promise of power, performance, and partnership to the farmers who will use it to feed the world. The journey from raw materials to a finished product is a powerful reminder of what modern manufacturing can achieve. What an incredible process, right? Seeing it all come together piece by piece really gives you a new appreciation for the engineering and hard work that goes into these amazing machines. This factory isn't just building tractors, it's building the tools that support modern agriculture worldwide. It's a fusion of raw power and sophisticated technology, all assembled with human expertise. Every single day, this assembly line brings new workhorses to life, ready to tackle the challenges of the field. The scale of the operation is just breathtaking, and the precision at every step is truly impressive. It's a proud legacy of manufacturing excellence. Thank you so much for joining us on this exclusive tour of the Massey Ferguson factory. We hope you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look at how these iconic red tractors are made. It's a fascinating blend of heavy engineering and cutting-edge technology. If you found this journey as interesting as we did, please hit that like button and consider subscribing to our channel for more amazing factory tours and machinery content. Let us know in the comments what you found most surprising about the assembly process. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.